Oh my god. 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 Oh my god.
Today I will show you 5 common problems which you can fix from post-production if you're editing a non-professional documentary. A lot of the magic happened even before they started shooting. So I met up with the director and she gave me the script which I copied into my Google Docs, and here you can see that there's the image, the sound and style, and the location, and then I added another line for editing tips, but I ended up writing them right in the script anyways because it's the script for me. I gave their tips and ideas and I tried to capture the vision of the director. There were supposed to be like dream sequences, and then the documentary itself, and how much B-roll we have, how much like old photos from the era we are doing the documentary about, how much of that we have. So it would be easier for me to understand what you wanted to feel. And so I wrote everything down in these tiny bullet points. You can clearly see that like there's a lot of them, but basically everything you can write it down because you will probably forget it. Then we went through how long the video is supposed to be. She got a budget for a 15-minute film. It's supposed to be between 15 and 20 minutes, so that's really important for later editing. It's also important for one more reason. Sometimes the director forgets some things that you need in post-production, and if you wouldn't tell her, then you wouldn't have it.
You forgot something.
Also, talking with the director gives another layer of creativity to that, because you know different things than the director, than the cameraman, and if you talk things through, maybe you can give an even better vision for the film. Then I created a short schedule to get an idea of what everything needs to be done. So the recording, that was not up to me, but it needed to be done. The first thing I would do was a rough cut, then shorten it, then make color grading version 1, text and animations, get feedback on the first edit and which parts should go out and which parts should stay, especially if they don't know if the respondents will answer the questions directly or indirectly. Then think about the full picture of the film. Like, is it solving the purpose that it's supposed to be? Is this showing the vision that we wanted it to show? Like, are people taking away what we want them to take away from the film? Then authorization by respondents, which means we will send the video to the people who were talking in the video if they're okay with everything, if they like what they say, or if they want something changed. Sometimes it happens. Then another feedback, finalization, and then party. So that was the first edit. Obviously, how it looks now, it's yeah, this is the timetable now. Obviously, there weren't just 6 steps. There were more like 200, like tiny changes like this. Those are like feedbacks and things that could not be changed because the camera screwed up, because the audio is bad, and then some messages came through. But that's the first part. Create a really good time schedule, and then you'll have an idea of if you can make it to the deadline, or if you need more people to edit, or whatever happens, you'll at least see if you're being screwed or not.
Oh yeah, we are screwed.
And if you didn't know this, you should subscribe. So I hope this helped you fix some problems if you have any. And if you like documentaries, check this video about these RGB lights right now. Right here. Because these can save you a lot of money. Okay, goodbye.